everyone. Welcome to your channel Pharmacypedia. In this session, we are going to discuss a very important topic from the subject Biostatistics and Research Methodology, Unit 4, which talks about the statistical analysis using Minitab. Now, what is Minitab? How are we going to use it? What are the different applications of Minitab? What are the different uses of Minitab? And how it is helpful to us in various ways? This all we are going to learn in this session. If you have still not subscribed to my channel Pharmacypedia, please do like, share, and subscribe to Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and important content related to pharmacy. So, my dear students, let us begin the session. So, let us first try to understand what is Minitab. So, if you try, Minitab is basically a statistical software. It is a package which is designed specially for the teaching of the introductory statistic course. So it is a software which is very easy to use, and it is very important and significant component of statistics analysis. If you perform the statistical analysis by your hand, it is a very time consuming process, because in statistics we deal with a lot of data. So when you have to manage the data, when you have to deal with so much large data, it is always important and beneficial to use some software whereby you can just import the data and have the can carry out various functions using the software analysis. So one of the most successful statistical easy to use software is Minitab. Now, statistical analysis using the computer applications have the advantage of being accurate, reliable, and generally faster than computing the statistics using the hands. It also produces other softwares which can further be used in conjunction with Minitab. For example, like Quality Trainers is one such learning package which actually includes the statistical analysis. Other components of the are like the Quality Companion, which is again a tool for managing the Six Sigma and the lean manufacturing. So Minitab in general purpose is a statistical software which is designed for easy interactive use. It is well suited for instructional applications. It is also very powerful enough to be used as a primary tool for analyzing the research data. So my dear students, it's a software used in statistical analysis and research. It has the various benefit because of its accuracy in analysis, reliability of the results, and much faster calculations. It can be used for a wide number of applications, which ranges from statistical techniques, simulations of different groups of data, using multiple regression analysis, and time series data analysis. So in a nutshell, now you know that this software is used as a complement for the Six Sigma analysis because of its features and ease of implementations. Different customized tools and techniques are also used in Sigma, which are available in the Minitab. So you can plot in different types of the graphs, pie charts, histograms, correlation analysis, regression analysis, using these different features, utilizing the Six Sigma project execution and different business operation. You can download the trial version of the Minitab from the website Minitab. Now, what are the different applications? So, Minitab is used in various applications. It not only helps us in data analysis, it also helps us in data storage. It is actually used as an exploratory data analysis with the help of its advanced graphs, charts, and other exploratory tools. So, its menu is very exhaustive, where you can enter the data, you can actually import the data, you can have patterned the data, you can customize the data, you can even print the data in the session window, you can assign any sort of the constants, you can name the variables and the constant, you can have different information about the worksheets, editing a worksheets, saving, retrieving, and printing. Simple mathematical calculations can also be performed using the Minitab. Apart from that, various mathematical tools like comparisons, or if you have to carry out the logical operations, column, row, status, that can all be done using this software. So it is one of the easy statistical software being used in large extent in the research analysis. So a large number of functions like different tests, parametric, non-parametric tests can be performed using the Minitab. You can have simple data interpretation. It basically has that stats menu on the top of the screen, whereby you can have any sort of the variance analysis or correlation analysis after you feed the data. So the first task is to feed the data, your variables, X variable, Y variable. Then you can have different sorts of the plots, histogram analysis, Z test, T test, Poisson's test, normality test, correlation analysis, various sorts of the parametric and non-parametric analysis. Also, you can have the ANOVA analysis, analysis of variation. So talking about the Minitab training agenda, it includes different sorts of the two types of the analysis, graphic capabilities and statistical capabilities. When we talk about the graphic capabilities, it is capable of doing the Pareto diagrams, histograms, box plots, and even the scatter plots. On the other side, when we talk about the statistical capabilities, it has large number of statistical capabilities in terms of the hypothesis testing, ANOVA analysis, designing of experiments, and even contingency tables. So if you see the stat bar, it is having lot many options from regression, ANOVA, design of experiments, control charts, quality tools, reliability survival, multivariate analysis, even the time series analysis, non-parametric test, equivalence test, power and the sample size analysis. So my dear students, so once you have feed the data, you simply have to click on this stat menu and do whatever you want to calculate out. So in a nutshell, this software is having on the menu bar these kinds of the option. It has a file option whereby you can just feed the data, edit menu where you can edit the data. You have the main menu, you have the calculation menu, you have the stat menu, you have the graph menu and editor menu. So most of the time for the statistical analysis, we use the stat menu. So these sorts of the analysis, once you have fed the data, you can have analysis of variance, you can have residual plot analysis, you can have different Pareto plots, you can have different scatter plots, line diagrams. So many analysis, so many factor calculations can simply be done by simply entering the data, and you can have the desired information in fraction of seconds using this Minitab software. So like you simply have to enter the data, you have to select everything, then after selection, you have to go to your start window where you can just have that, what factor you're going to analyze. For example, you're going to make histogram, you're going to do analysis of variance, or you want to calculate any sort of the parametric or non-parametric evaluation test like Z-test, T-test, whatever you want to do, you can do simply. And it is one of the fastest and the most accurate software which is available with us to be used in large extent for the statistical analysis in research studies. It is also used in various industries for the quality control assessments. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and important content related to pharmacy. I hope this video is going to help you out in understanding the Minitab. The actual working of the Minitab, I'll be sharing another video, and that will help you to understand. So till then, stay tuned, stay happy, and please do like, share, and subscribe to Pharmacypedia.